We got away with the entire day. I thought we'd get at least a half day, but basically the whole day was nice. And it felt more summery to me, which was good too. The dew points were up a bit. You can see the clouds, they're coming in. They were just a little bit delayed compared to a lot of the guidance here, which is fine. Instead of 2 o'clock, it looks like it'll be 5 o'clock for western Maine that these clouds move in. So we got the whole day in, but once we get into the cloud cover, there's a lot of it, all the way back to about Pittsburgh, that we've got clouds in there, and then showers too, which if you look at this over the last few frames, see how it's starting to kind of center itself along the front, and there's more moisture. So as it moves eastward, this front, we'll see showers, thunderstorms, downpours tonight and into tomorrow. But the rest of today, good. Temperatures still in the upper 70s, a couple of mid 70s along the coastline where we probably sea breeze. I'm just going to guess based on the water temperature in the ocean, in the coastal temperatures. So clouds through tonight, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, and then here comes the rain, especially after midnight, some downpours in there. And tomorrow it's not raining all day, but there are a lot of showers around, and some of those showers have quite a bit of moisture to work with. When it's not raining, it's 60s, maybe, cloudy. Some of us will be in the 50s, so it's pretty dreary tomorrow, pretty bleak overall. Showers kind of flare back up tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and then we might see a round right offshore, if not clipping parts of the coast by early Saturday morning. Weekend forecast is tough. It's hard to sell because it's a lot of things. We start with maybe a shower along the coast on Saturday, end up with a mixture of sun and clouds, temperatures probably in the 70s. This model has 80s. Great if that happens. I'm not sure that that's going to be right. And then pop-up showers trailing that on Saturday afternoon. So they're kind of bookended by showers. Sunday, we see fewer showers around, but there's still a chance of them in the afternoon. So it's one of those deals where I said before, I wouldn't cancel anything because of the weather this weekend, but just be aware there are shower chances around, especially on Saturday. Franklin, there it is, just sitting kind of northwest of San Juan, Puerto Rico, and it will be moving generally towards the eastern seaboard, but it never really gets that close. And we talked yesterday about we've got this big trough in a cold front that's going to kind of usher or escort this storm offshore. So the question really is, how close does it get, and does some of its tropically infused moisture get involved mid next week? I think it could, so we could be seeing some heavy rain in there. So again, the weekend is fine. Which day do I like better? I don't know. I think it's a little stickier. I think the middle part of Saturday is a little stickier, a little more summery. Sunday you have a lower chance of showers, but it's only about 70 to 72, which we know I don't like. Zach likes it, but it's a little on the coolish side. Sun and clouds on Monday, and then clouds increase Tuesday. And as I mentioned, guys, this is either Tuesday night or Wednesday that some moisture gets ejected from that tropical storm into a front, so it could be some heavy rain in there. Because people have been saying this summer hasn't had enough rain, so I thought we'd just make sure
Seriously.
We were saying it.
Yeah,
We were thinking it
that's
anyway.
what people say.
Thanks, Keith.